Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that's Praveen Nair, and today we are going to be doing a super easy and super fast, a healthy dip for all your starters.
Let's go!
50 grams mango, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, pink Himalayan salt, 1 cup water. First we add mustard and we add little water. Now we add 50 grams mango to it. Himalayan salt to it. So our super delicious mango mustard dip is ready. Now let's quickly hear its benefits.
It contains selenium, which is known for its high anti-inflammatory benefits.
It also contains capsaicin, that means it promotes weight loss. So you have n number of benefits in the homemade dip, so say no to all processed dips and make it at home today.
Stay fit guys, you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button that you always get to know about our new videos, and we got about videos coming 4 times in a week. That's on Train to Look Good, information, recipes, and how to create a clean movement. So there we go, enjoy the information that's been given, and that's all you need to be fit. So cheer up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.